Unlock precisely the properties you're looking for by mastering PropStream's powerful zoning. Search your key to targeted real estate investment. Today, we're diving deep into how to leverage PropStream's advanced filters to pinpoint properties within specific zoning classifications, ensuring your investments align perfectly with your strategy. First, access the main search interface in PropStream. You'll see several filtering options appear. We want to focus on the zoning capabilities of this platform. So let's expand our search criteria. Navigate to the Properties tab within your filter options here. You'll find a zoning drop-down menu. Clicking this will reveal a comprehensive list of zoning categories. Depending on your investment niche, you can now select the precise zoning you're interested in. For example, if you're targeting commercial opportunities, simply select Commercial. You can also get more granular if your strategy demands specific types of commercial zoning. PropStream often allows for further refinement within these categories, though the exact options may vary by location. Once your zoning filter is applied and you hit Apply Filters, PropStream instantly refines your search results to display only those properties that meet your chosen zoning criteria. You'll see the zoning designation clearly displayed for each property in the results list. For even greater detail, click on any property to view its full details. The zoning section on the left-hand side will confirm the exact classification for that specific parcel, giving you all the information you need to make an informed decision. Whether you're hunting for single-family homes, multi-family units, retail spaces, or industrial warehouses, PropStream's zoning search empowers you to cut through the noise and find exactly what you're looking for, saving you time and resources in your real estate ventures.